Hello, today in class we're going to talk about the area of a part of a circle. How to calculate the area of a part of a circle. But first we will talk about what a sector is. Imagine a problem. We need to find the part of a circle. If angle in our sector is 60 degrees and the radius itself is 2 centimeters. In order to solve such a problem, we need to know the formula for finding the part of a circle. But there's another approach. It is possible, without knowing the formula, to solve this problem. To do that, we need to know that the entire interior angle in a circle is 360 degrees. And 60 degrees is 1/6 of a degree. Then the area of this part of the circle we can calculate by the formula. 1/6 times r squared and multiply by our number p. Well, the r squared times the number p is the area of the whole circle, and we are only taking the 6th part. In order to work with this type of problem, we need to know what a sector is. In our problem, the part of the circle of our large circle will be called a sector. But let's give a definition for a sector of a circle. The part of the circle that is bounded by the radii and the arc is called a sector. It is a sector, but there are concepts of a small sector and a large sector. So in this section, I'm going to write that this is a small sector. And the rest of the circle is called the large sector. In order to find a part of the circle or to find the area of a sector, there is a formula that will help us find the area of a sector by applying the formula. But in this case, we will rely on the magnitude of the angle of this sector, and then the formula will take the following form. If we denote that this is the angle AOB, then we will say that in order to find the area of the sector, we need the angle AOB divided by 360 degrees and multiplied by the area of the circle, which is calculated by the formula r squared times p. Thus, the ratio of the value of the sector angle to an angle equal to 360 degrees is the area of the circle. You will use this formula in high school, and when solving the problem, we will calculate what part of the circle is the sector of the total circle, and then solve the problem and apply the formula to find the area of the circle. In the next lesson, we will solve a problem where we will find the area of a sector of a circle, okay? Our lesson has come to an end for today. Goodbye, see you again.